In the world of tech sales, spiffs, short for Sales Performance Incentive Funds, are one of the most effective ways to drive quick results, motivate sales teams, and push specific products or campaigns. These short-term bonuses or rewards are designed to boost performance and help companies hit their numbers faster. The best spiffs are simple, time-bound, and directly tied to measurable sales outcomes. One of the most popular examples in tech sales is the product launch spiff. When a company releases a new piece of hardware, software, or SaaS feature, reps are given a cash bonus for every closed deal within the first month. For example, a cloud solutions company might offer $200 per unit sold during the first 4 weeks of launch to create urgency and excitement. Another strong example is the pipeline acceleration spiff. This is used when management wants deals already in the pipeline to close faster. A rep might earn a 10% bonus on any deal closed within the quarter instead of rolling it over. It's a proven way to keep momentum high and prevent deals from stagnating. Cross-sell and upsell spiffs also perform exceptionally well in tech sales. Reps are rewarded for adding complementary solutions, like additional licenses, security packages, or managed support, to existing contracts. This type of spiff not only increases deal size but also deepens customer relationships. Then there's the team-based spiff, which encourages collaboration rather than competition. For instance, if a sales team collectively exceeds its monthly quota by 20%, everyone shares a group bonus or a sponsored team retreat. This builds morale and aligns everyone toward one goal. Finally, non-cash spiffs are becoming increasingly common. Tech companies often use rewards like high-end gadgets, travel experiences, or recognition on company leaderboards to keep things fresh and engaging. These rewards can be just as motivating as cash, especially in high-energy sales environments. Well-designed spiffs are not random giveaways, they're targeted, data-driven incentives that focus sales energy on what matters most. Whether it's pushing a new product, speeding up closures, or driving add-on sales, the right spiff can turn average quarters into record-breaking ones.